I know it.
How you been?
Good, good.
Oh,
what happened?
back my feed truck into it.
It's beautiful. This is a true ranch truck. You want to go this way or that way? Get around.
It's right up here on the hill because that gate's open to that other one.
Okay. Hey, cow. Mama! Mama! Get your tail back. Get your tail back, Mama. Golly! Hello! Go back home. Have you ever? Cal, get back in there. Good boy. Good.
Any blue tag, there's one. She's over, see that number 60? Black and white face up to the fence.
Yeah.
She's like the third one back.
Okay.
This side of that solid white face.
Okay.
She's got a white number.
Oh, yeah.
We'll hold her with these others too.
Okay.
So the keeping heifers, good heifers, will go in here. There'll
Yeah.
be some big red ones that as you get to them, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
But if you want to go sort with cat, I'll stand right here and anything
Okay.
you miss, try to
Push them back.
hold back.
One. She's gonna go with you, her? Gonna be ripped. Here we go, here we go. All right, here's a good cow. Sail, sail. Sail, sail. We're buried. So this is where we're trying to get them. We're trying to break them up, get them in this gate. They're typically pretty hard to get in, like a gate that's in the middle of a patch. They go good in corners, obviously, but we're getting it done. Zach got his doggies out and they've joined us and they're doing a good job. I'll tell you what, old cat ain't never worked this hard before. We've taken these cows from way back yonder and brought them up here, and we've had just a time getting them in this lot. But boy, he is just doing a great job. Oh my gosh. Come on a little bit. All right, today was a good day on old cat. He did a dang good job. He's worked hard. Today was probably the hardest he's worked, and he's just nimbling around here. He's done a good job again, and getting better and better. And sound-minded son of a gun, always puts me right where I need to be.